back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to the truck and tractor pulls, so that'll be fun. We'll get some footage for that. We are running a bit late though because we had to pick up some insulation.
For a certain reason.
For a certain reason.
So before we get to the video, you've heard us talk about in the previous videos our situation. So several months ago we sold our house and well, we needed a place to go. So the only place we had available was her grandparents' basement in the southern part of Columbus, which is an hour and a half or 90 minutes from where we are right now, which is the shop. So the STI and the truck are behind me, and then her car is sitting over there. So during the week, we can't get up here. Somebody just started the mower. We can't get up here during the week. So basically the only time we get up here is on the weekends, but we are not gonna put it off any longer. We're gonna go ahead and tell you guys we did find a house. We signed off on it, or signed all the papers 2 weeks ago. Owner said 2 weeks, but we just got a call saying they need the full 30 days, which is what was in the contract.
It's kind of disappointing.
Very, because we were all excited to get in it. It was actually this weekend we were gonna get into it.
We were planning on doing a full video, like the house reveal, the building, the 4-car garage and all that, but...
Which we still will. We'll do a full video on the house. The house is perfect. It comes with a 4-car garage that basically we'll just use for the dailies, and then my favorite part, it's got a 40 by 60 pole barn that's already got concrete. The only thing is it doesn't have electric and it doesn't have insulation. So with it being the end of September, we need to, the main reason why I want to get in there so bad is to start on the electric and the insulation, because you know it's Ohio and it could be cold tomorrow, it could be cold in middle of December, whatever. So that's my biggest concern. I'm doing it right. I'm epoxying the floors. I'm, you know, the whole deal. So it's going to be my shop, my build, my everything. So it's going to be nice, professional. We got a bunch of videos planned for this winter. Including her car. We're gonna finish her car, and then I want to get another project for something, an event next year. Hopefully, if it's,
wink, wink.
Hopefully that we can go through with that or build that. Yeah, stick around. I apologize again. The content has been a little bit slower, mostly because we've been waiting on this house. So we're kind of filling in videos, trying to get videos to fill in time. So bear with us. The content's kind of slower, but we have a lot of videos planned. We just got to get a place to do it.
Shouldn't be too much longer, but right now we're going to get to the truck and tractor pulls. Have some fun.
So they've already started. The installation cost us a lot of time this afternoon. So it started at 3. It's 4 now. So they've already been going an hour. So hopefully we didn't miss too much of the exciting stuff.
Yeah.
I like the diesels. Looks like they got like stock tractors right now. So, all right, let's go. got back from the pools again. I want to thank everybody for watching the videos and supporting the channel. It is, like I said earlier, it is kind of slower because I don't really have anything to work on. Our videos are kind of bland at the moment. We don't really have any projects, don't have anything to do because we have no place to do it. And we're living in, like I said, an hour and a half south of here, so it's kind of hard to work on the stuff through the week because we're about 90 minutes away. Hopefully that'll all change very soon. I'm in the middle of packing. I got most of the stuff packed up. My toolbox is completely empty. So basically the car and the truck and then her car are just sitting there hibernating through the week. So, but some good news, well, besides, you know, we found a house. We finally got her car scheduled to get wrapped. So we're going to wrap her car. We've had the actual wrap forever, but the guy was so busy he couldn't fit it in. So we finally got that scheduled. So hopefully by the time that is done, the new shop will be done and we can continue on building her car for next year. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching the channel, and we'll see you next time.